Hello friends, today we are discuss one more problem, and there are three problem, actually three or four problem is here. And today you will learn why benzyl chloride means chlorobenzene do not react with in presence of Mg ether, while it will react Mg in THF. Okay, so if you see, there is boiling issue from this reaction. Is the boiling point of ether, if you see, around 35 to 36 degrees Celsius. Okay, so in this solvent this reaction does not happen, but in this solvent THF, if you see, the boiling point is 66 to 67 degrees Celsius. Okay, so in this MgCl react. Okay, but if you see, in this solvent reaction will not go. Okay, in this what happen, it form MgCl. Okay, same as it is. If you see, in case of bromine, in case of bromine, the reaction in both solvent undergo. Okay, since if you see, the leaving tendency of iodine more as compared to bromine as compared to chlorine. Okay, so leaving tendency is another factor. That's why it cannot release in easy way in ether solvent. But in case of, if you provide heat here, okay, 60 to 70 heat, or if you go kinetically reaction, kinetically in the sense 0 degree Celsius. Okay, then it will go for further reaction. Okay, but in case of bromine, it will go, since it is better leaving group as compared to which chloro. Okay, so that's why reaction goes to this MgBr. In case of it also undergo MgBr. Okay, in case, if you see, as you learn from first reaction, that chloro will not go for a reaction, so it remain as it is. But in case MgBr. Okay, and if you see in this, if you add excess, then only chlorine will remain as it is, but bromine will react. Okay, same as it is if you go for this reaction. So in this MgBr and Cl will remain. Okay, in case, so this will remain MgBr. Okay, and this one is chloro. So it is all of reactions, but one is more important, that chloro will not undergo reaction in presence of ether. Okay, why? Boiling point is very less. Okay, in case of THF, boiling point is higher as compared to this, so that's why it undergoes easily, because chloro is poor leaving group, as well as if is substituted sp2. Okay, then more problem occur to forward the reaction. Okay, so today we want to learn you that only one problem, this one, it is more critical in case of chloro when reacted with Mg ether. Okay, so thank you friends. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries, then please write down your comment in the comment box. We will solve your problem. Okay, thank you.